Right, in this video I'm going to talk about my discipline indicator, the RKD Disciplindicator, designed to bring discipline to your trading. This is an indicator I've been using for years. I designed it and had it written up for me many years ago. I've been trading FX since 2005. I've been trading professionally for many years, and this indicator is the core of my trading method. I'm giving this indicator away and all the other indicators that I use to trade absolutely free, plus my trading manual. All you have to do to get all this stuff is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, put a comment below with your email address, or email me at post@ralphkdean.co.uk, and I will send you all this stuff absolutely free. So let's show you how this indicator is invaluable if you want to be a successful Forex trader. Right. As you can see, we've got a matrix of data. We've got pivot, we've got today's open, yesterday's high, yesterday's low, proximity to the MA200 and the RSI. So let's look at, for example, GBP USD, which is given as a 3-star strength reading, and therefore this will be a pair we would need to look at. And if we look at GBP USD, we can see from the matrix, we can see that the price has already moved 92 pips today, which is considerable, considering it's only 11:30. So, and this is confirmed. Here's the open. Price is now moved down, and we've actually hit the WS1 pivot, and price has put in a doji candle. It's looking like it's going to put another doji candle in. So clearly, buyers are entering the market. Whether it's enough to send the price higher, or whether there's a trade here, depends on other factors, which I'm not going to go into just yet. They'll be on other videos. So all I want to talk about today is the fact that the indicator has revealed a potential trade setup. So let's just go through the rest of this data and the rationale behind it. Yesterday the price hit 138.77. Now if the price hits 138.77 again today, because it reversed yesterday, there's a chance it might reverse again today, because if we know buyers were there at that level, they may come in again. It doesn't look like we're going to hit that high today because we're miles away from it, but you know, any bit of GBP good news could send the price reversing, so it's possible. But this is a heads up. Similarly for yesterday's low, yesterday price hit 38.18 and it bounced. It may do so again, although currently it's 42 pips below yesterday's low. Here we have the 200. This is a dual purpose value. The closer we are to the 200, the closer we are of something happening. So for example, if we look at EURNZD on the 1 minute time frame, we can see that the price has now just tipped through. Now this looks like a very reasonable short trade, and the thing is, we can get a short on here. In fact, I'll just put a short trade on here, because we can put a short trade on there, and we can just put a stop, very tight stop above there. So we've got a risk of just 11 pips, and even if this trade reverses and it's progressing, if this trade reverses, we've not lost very much money. We've got a nice tight stop. So the MA gives us a nice tight stop as to our trades. Again, I'm going to go into all this in future videos. But the matrix gave us the opportunity to place in that trade. Rather than going through all these charts and looking at them on various different time frames, which is so time consuming, This gives you a snapshot of the position of the market at any one time. Just to show you these the variables. There's many variables on the matrix. You can have whatever RSI period you like. I prefer 14. I have MA period of 200 exponential. I wouldn't change these if I were you. Here's all your pairs. I've set this so that if the price comes within 9 pips of the pivot, we'll get a colour change. If it's 9 pips off the high, the low range, we'll get a colour change. Proximity to the MA M1 time frame, M5, M15, M30. Again, you can set these yourself, and also the value if you're overbought or oversold conditions on the RSI. So that's basically it on my Disciplindicator. Very useful tool, invaluable, and yours, free. All you've got to do is put your email address at the bottom of this video, subscribe to my channel, and it's yours.